Hello and welcome to another episode of Steve's Monumental Adventure, and we are still on the Wirral. We still are on the Wirral, and we are going to take a look at a rather strange contraption type thing with an interesting story to it. Let's get into the video. Welcome to the former rock ferry tanker cleaning jetty. This sits alongside the more modern day Birkenhead oil terminal. This jetty was once used to clean the oil tankers before they were dry docked for repair at the nearby Laird's shipyard. The jetty has now been left to decay, and parts of it are falling into the Mersey, and eventually all that will be left is the steel skeleton of this once iconic structure. The decay of this structure is largely down to a local businessman that purchased it and let it get into the state that we see today. Tranmere Oil Terminal sits right next to the abandoned jetty, and it is on the Birkenhead side of the River Mersey. It opened on June the 8th, 1960 to handle vessels with a cargo of 65,000 tonnes of oil or less. The terminal offers two berths, north and south. The site is connected to Stanlow Oil Refinery in Cheshire by a 15-mile pipeline. The site which the oil terminal was built on was originally the site of the Liverpool to Birkenhead ferry terminal. This site was built by Shell Oil. no trip to Tranmere would be complete without taking a look at the beautiful villas. The area of Rock Ferry is the site of the old ferry terminal that's been on the site since 1357. Plans for the community of Rock Ferry were first laid down in 1836 with the development of a hotel and a bathhouse. Rock Park evolved into an upmarket area of exclusive villas, and they were owned by ship owners and merchants from Liverpool. These Victorian villas were built from the Staunton Quarry sandstone, and they were built between 1837 and 1850. These are now listed buildings, and believe it or not, 9 of these beautiful villas were demolished to make way for the A41 bypass. Today the area is a conservation zone, but these beautiful houses really show off what Liverpool's wealth was really like. I hope you're enjoying this series of Steve's monumental adventure. There is lots more to come as we travel up the west coast. If you like the video, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment. What do you think of some of the videos that we've done? Or do you know the areas that we're going to? Take care, see you soon.